Hi, dear friends. Good evening from outside. This is your teacher Mindaspon, and this is also your teacher, Yadav Chowdhury. We are here to do practice for positive and negative sentences, right? So, shall we start, sir?
Yeah.
Right.
Let's begin.
Right. So, okay.
Yeah.
I drink milk.
I don't drink milk.
Ram goes to school.
Ram doesn't go to school.
Sita is singing song.
Sita isn't singing a song.
Boys are playing football.
Boys aren't playing football.
I'm learning English.
I aren't learning English.
I have played football.
I haven't played football.
Ram has stolen money.
Ram hasn't stolen money.
I have been teaching English language.
I haven't been teaching English language.
Ram has been singing song.
Ram hasn't been singing a song.
Someone stole money.
No one stole money.
My father worked in the field yesterday.
My father didn't work in the field yesterday.
I had visited Pokhara last year.
I hadn't visited Pokhara last year.
I had been working in a bank till yesterday.
I hadn't been working in the bank till yesterday.
Yes, you're right. Girls decorated temple yesterday.
Girls didn't decorate temple yesterday.
I get up at 5 a.m. every day.
I don't get up at 5 a.m. every day.
Right? My sister drinks milk every morning.
My sister doesn't drink milk every morning.
Yeah. And I'm teaching English language at MGL.
I aren't teaching English language at MGL.
My elder brother is working in a bank.
My elder brother isn't working in the bank.
Many farmers are working in the field.
Many farmers aren't working in the field.
Yes. I have built a nice home.
I haven't built a nice home.
Yadav sir has bought a nice bike.
Panta sir hasn't bought a nice bike.
You can't say like that. You should say Yadav sir, not Panta sir.
Okay. Yadav sir hasn't bought a nice bike.
Alright. Students have been learning computer for many days.
Students haven't been learning computer for many days.
Yadav sir has been teaching English language at MGL for 5 years.
Yadav sir hasn't been teaching English language at MGL for 5 years.
Ram stole my bicycle yesterday night.
Ram didn't steal my bicycle at night.
Yesterday night, I said. Ram stole my bicycle yesterday night.
Ram didn't steal my bicycle yesterday night.
Rita was crying at night.
Rita wasn't crying at night.
Bad boys were teaching girls at campus.
Bad boys weren't teaching girls at campus.
My father had given me 5,000 rupees yesterday.
My father hadn't given me 5,000 rupees yesterday.
My mother had been working in a bank till yesterday.
My mother hadn't been working in the bank till yesterday.
We will visit Pokhara next year.
We won't visit Pokhara next year.
We will be dancing at the party tomorrow night.
We won't be dancing at the party tomorrow night.
Yes. I'll have bought a car within 5 years.
I won't have bought a car within 5 years.
My father goes to India every year to earn money.
My father doesn't go to India to earn money every year.
Right. I taught tense yesterday.
I didn't teach tense yesterday.
I go to visit Kathmandu next year.
I want to go to Kathmandu to visit next year.
My mother cooks meat every Saturday.
My mother doesn't cook meat every Saturday.
Boys are playing football.
Boys aren't playing football.
I had visited Pokhara 2 months ago.
I hadn't visited Pokhara 2 months ago.
Someone stole money yesterday.
No one stole money yesterday. Or
yeah, you're right. Somebody cries at night.
Nobody cries at night.
I like walking in the morning.
I don't like walking in the morning.
I want to be an engineer in future.
I don't want to be an engineer in future.
They will be singing song at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
They want to be singing a song
at 2 p.m. tomorrow.
At 2 p.m. tomorrow.
My father is working in the field.
My father isn't working in the field.
They are singing song.
They aren't singing a song.
Students go to school to get education.
Students don't go to school to get education.
Alright. By the way, nice to talk to you.
Nice to talk to you too, sir.
Alright.